Today, we will talk about woodworking projects that are cheap to make but bring high profits. Whether you are new to woodworking or have years of experience, these projects will help you earn more money without spending too much. Cutting boards. These are a woodworker's best friend when it comes to low-cost, high-profit projects. All you need are a few pieces of hardwood, some glue, and basic tools. Cutting boards are always in demand, and with the right finish, you can sell them for a great profit margin. Wooden coasters. These tiny treasures are quick to make, require minimal materials, and sell like hotcakes. You can use scrap wood to keep costs low and experiment with different shapes, finishes, and even engravings. A set of 4 to 6 coasters can be sold for a nice profit. Serving trays. These are versatile and can be made in a variety of styles: rustic, modern, or even with handles. Serving trays are perfect for using up smaller pieces of wood, and they are always popular for entertaining or as gifts. Pet furniture. From cat trees to dog beds, pet owners are always willing to spend on their furry friends. These projects can be made with affordable materials like plywood and carpet scraps, and they sell for a great profit. Birdhouse. These are a hit at craft shows and online markets. You can make them from scrap wood, and during spring and summer, they fly off the shelves, pun intended. Add some creative designs, and you have got a winner. Wooden planters. With the rise in popularity of houseplants, wooden planters are in high demand. You can make small tabletop planters or larger outdoor ones. Use affordable wood like pine or cedar, and add drainage holes for functionality. Wooden clocks. These are surprisingly simple to make and can be sold at a high profit margin. All you need is a clock mechanism, which is inexpensive, and a piece of wood. Add unique designs or engravings to make them stand out. Floating shelves. These are simple to build but look incredibly stylish. All you need are a few pieces of wood, brackets, and some basic tools. Floating shelves are versatile and appeal to a wide audience, making them a great seller. Wooden toys. From cars and trains to puzzles and blocks, wooden toys are timeless and always in demand. They are perfect for using up scrap wood, and parents love them for their durability and eco-friendliness. Key holders. These small, functional items are quick to make and require minimal materials. You can add hooks, a small shelf, or even a chalkboard for notes. Key holders are practical and make great gifts, so they sell well at craft fairs and online. Whether you are looking to start a side hustle or just make some extra cash, these projects are a great place to start. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking tips and ideas. Let us know in the comments which project you are excited to try first.